How to lose weight within 15 days. Various factors make the path of losing weight difficult. Facing stress at work, inadequate sleep and junk food all contribute to this. However, when you endeavor to lose weight, it is not just on diets and workouts that you need to focus on. Certain tricks can be of great value in your endeavor, tricks that will enable you to shed the excess fat within 2 weeks. Let us provide you with some tips, using which you would be able to eradicate the excess fat in the belly region in no time. But we will share the secret with you. 1. Say no to sugary drinks. Often, submitting to your sweet tooth, you end up indulging in fruit juice or soda. However, if you really want to lose weight, this is not an option. You need to get a control on this addiction for sugar. Doctors working at the Department of Nutrition at the Harvard School of Public Health have confirmed that such drinks lead to obesity. Therefore, sugary drinks should be avoided at all costs if you want to lose weight. 2. Indulge in green tea. If you want to get rid of the excess fats rapidly, green tea will prove to be a valuable ally. Dr. Margriet Westertep-Plantinga, working at Maastricht University, has shed some light on the effects of drinking tea on weight loss. As per her, green tea is enriched with catechins, which are antioxidants that increase the burning of fats to a large extent. 3. Stay away from unhealthy food items. If you are serious about losing weight, hide away all the unhealthy food items. Put them all away. Your cravings from such snacks increase when they are in your sight, as has been elaborated on by scientists from Ohio State University and reaffirmed by the doctors of Cornell University and VTT Technical Research Center, Finland. If the unhealthy foods are in your house, ensure that they are kept in cupboards instead of countertops. If snacking is your hobby, opt for some fruits. 4. Brush your teeth. Brushing teeth more frequently in a day is also a good idea. Brushing does not only lead to the cleaning of teeth. When you brush during the daytime, it also assists in your endeavor to lose weight. The Catholic University of Korea along with the Korea University conducted a research project in which 15,000 people participated. According to this research, a link is present between losing weight and brushing teeth. When the leftover food is removed from your mouth, its communication with our receptors is stopped. Thus, the brain gets the signal that the time for lunch is now finished. 5. More laughter. Laughing more can be of great help, as incredulous as it sounds. When you laugh sincerely, the same amount of energy is used as walking. This is because laughter involves different areas of muscles including abdominal muscles. A study conducted by the researchers from the Department of Medicine at Vanderbilt University revealed that around 10 to 40 calories could be burned in a day by laughing for about 10 to 15 minutes. Therefore, watching comedy shows would be a good idea. You can also think of joining Laughter Yoga Club for the purpose. This is no joke. Currently, over 6,000 such groups are operating worldwide. Laughter indeed proves to be great medicine. 6. Increase hydration. Increase the amount of water to drink. It is heard quite often that sufficient hydration leads to an increased process of burning of fat. The topic has been researched by researchers from the Humboldt University and the German Institute of Human Nutrition. During the study, the participants were asked to consume 2 glasses of water. The results revealed that their metabolism sped up by 30% with an increase in efficiency. According to scientists, if you drink around 50 fl/Oz of water in a day, you can burn as much as 17,400 calories annually, which amounts to around 4 pounds, 7. Pay heed to the 2.5-minute rule. The scientists from the University of Colorado Anschutz Medical Campus and Colorado State University established this rule. They gave it the name of sprint interval training. According to this rule, an intense workout should be done daily for 2.5 minutes. The reason for this is that intense exercise routines for about 5 to 30 seconds followed by breaks of 4 minutes can lead to speeding up of the metabolism, as a result of which you end up burning 200 calories extra. Therefore, endeavor to opt for intense exercise routines and give all the focus to burning more fat. 8. Divide your meal portions. While eating less is important, eating within short intervals is essential as well. Your body gets the signal that fat accumulation is not required when you eat frequently. Similarly, when a meal is skipped, the opposite signal is sent, and we end up eating more. According to research at Department of Nutritional Sciences at the University of Toronto, eating lesser amount with increased frequency leads to a reduction in the cholesterol levels by as much as 15%, while the insulin levels are reduced by 28%. Insulin is of importance because it has control over blood sugar levels. A decrease in insulin leads the glucose failing to reach the muscles or fat cells. 9. Get rid of the blue light. Here is another tip for you that can speed up metabolism. Get rid of the blue light visible on your phone if you have a habit of using the phone before drifting to sleep. According to experts, phones should be avoided entirely prior to bedtime. Scientists from the Department of Physiological Anthropology at Kyushu University revealed that our brain is confused owing to the bright light, and thus the production of melatonin is stopped. Metabolism has a strong connection with our sleep, including the quality of sleep and the duration. Therefore, adjust your screens to have light tones and an improvement will be witnessed in sleeping pattern. 10. Avoid counting calories. According to nutritionists, counting calories is not a good idea. Instead, you should focus on the quality of the items you incorporate in your diet. This is because every calorie is not the same. Let us give you an example. If you get a high-caloric burger, it would be harmful to you. However, nuts with high calories are beneficial. Natural seeds, vegetables, and nuts are minimally processed, thereby containing healthy and useful elements as compared to their powdered counterparts. Such items can be used for satisfying hunger as they enrich our bodies with the required nutrients. 11. Allow entry of cool air in your room. Studies from National Institutes of Health and National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases reveal that brown fat is influenced by cool temperatures. This is because of a fat layer forms for protection of the body against freezing. Thus white fat is split followed by burning of the chemical energy for creation of heat. For the study, participants were asked to split and sleep in rooms with varying temperature settings of warm, neutral and cool. 4 weeks of sleep in the cool room lead to the men getting rid of a greater white fat amount from their bellies. Therefore, turning up the AC during the night will prove to be a good option. 12. Avoid sleeping during the day. Daytime sleep should be avoided. Science establishes that less fat is burned when people remain active during the night and sleep in the daytime. A group of 14 healthy people was studied for about a week by the researchers at the University of Colorado. They were not allowed any naps during the day and slept only during nighttime for the initial 2 days. Their sleeping pattern was then changed to that of an owl. It was revealed that worsening of the metabolism occurred when a nap was taken during daytime. This is because the biological clocks did not adjust to this change in schedule completely. If you have night shifts, it is recommended that the amount of calories you intake is reduced. 13. Allow yourself a cheat day. Cheat days are quite popular among athletes. Cheat days imply that you are breaking your diet willingly for a day in a week. On this day, you can eat whatever you want, irrespective of the diet you are following. This is done because this step tricks your mind. Your mind recognizes that a reward will be given for the efforts you are putting in. Thus, resisting temptations becomes a whole lot easier. 14. Avoid taking stress. Our metabolism slows down owing to stress, as has been stated in a study by Ohio State University. Furthermore, stress also leads to unhealthy snacking. When we eat high-caloric food during stress, our metabolism is affected, and we end up gaining weight. Therefore, binge eating should be avoided. 15. Get sufficient sleep. Getting enough sleep is vital. If you get good sleep of about 8 hours, starting from 10 to 11 p.m. and waking up at 6 or 7 a.m., it would do wonders for your metabolism. This will also lead to the removal of the excess belly fat. A study performed by Marie-Pierre Street-Onjh, who is an assistant professor at the Columbia University, and Iri Schechter from the Columbia University Medical Center, revealed that those with less than 5 hours of sleep have greater tendency to gain weight. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe to our channel for more free videos on related topic. Thank you.